What's up guys, welcome back. Today guys, I want to show you how to download Riot client on your PC fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your browser today like me and just type like me League of Legends download, because Riot client come with games. Open this first site and you will see download here for Windows, click on it and save installation. But make sure you log in on your account. After you download League of Legends installation, just open it and go here run. Just install any game, League of Legends, Valorant, and you will get Riot client. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install Riot client on your PC fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.